Hey y'all, what's up? So finally y'all, I've gotten the deck to where I want it to be for now, and I think it's time for me to go ahead and show you all, because I've never shown you like the deck all put together with my decorations and everything like that. So let me show y'all, okay, really quickly. If y'all follow me on Instagram, then of course you guys have seen like bits and pieces of the deck, but I've really never officially showed you guys here on Instagram, I mean on YouTube. So let's go ahead and see what the deck is talking about, y'all. Let's Lego. Okay y'all, so here we go, and we actually have a screen right here to keep the bugs out, you know, and our French doors are here and we have them open. All right, and as you can see, here's the deck, you guys. So look at this, y'all. So y'all, I'm just going to show you all everything and put some music in the background. Enjoy. If you follow my vlogs, then these things may look familiar to you. So let's get started. y'all like it. I absolutely love it. In my opinion, it is a total vibe. Like, Dennis and I are going to be vibing on this deck this summer. It is such, like, it is everything, y'all. So tell me what y'all think. I absolutely love it. I love the color theme that I decided to go with. Like, it is everything, y'all. So tell me what y'all think down below. Hopefully you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will talk to you later. Bye.